You rely on Salesforce to sell smarter, but growth slows when you're juggling calls on a separate phone system. While you're on a mission to make your sales process autonomous, you're still manually logging calls and switching tabs for every conversation. That means missed follow-ups, scattered logs, and lost deals. Why not integrate KrispCall into Salesforce? Automate the process that's holding you back. Sync contacts, call logs, notes, tags, recordings, and even voicemails. Plus, make calls and send SMS directly from your CRM. Sounds exactly like what you need? Let's see how to connect these two powerful apps in just a few steps. Simply log in to KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to Integrations and search for Salesforce. Then click on Connect. Allow access on the pop-up window that appears, and your Salesforce CRM is integrated successfully. Once connected, customize your sync preferences. Under General Settings, decide how contacts and call logs should sync between these platforms. In Workflow Settings, configure in detail how your specific calls and SMS logs should be synced. Then use connected numbers to assign one or all KrispCall numbers for your calling and SMS. With these settings ready, start by creating contacts in KrispCall. Whether you update contacts one at a time or export them in bulk, all the contacts sync immediately in Salesforce. Now, to start making calls from Salesforce, set up the KrispCall dialer in your dashboard's Setup menu. Search for call centers in the Quick Find and select KrispCall CTI Call Center. Next, Search App Manager, navigate to Sales Lighting, edit it, and add and save it as OpenCTI Softphone. Ready to dial? Just open your contact record. Click on your lead's phone number. The dialer opens right inside Salesforce, letting you talk to your clients without leaving the platform. While on the call, make notes and assign tags directly into the dialer, and they automatically sync to notes and attachments under specific contacts. No copying, no post-call cleanup. Sending SMS works the same way. Click on the contact number, then switch to SMS in the dialer that pops up. Type your message and hit Send. All SMS logs, call logs, and recordings are automatically synced under the task section of specific contacts. Missed a call? Even the voicemail recordings sync directly under the task as playable links, so you can listen and follow up without losing any context. With KrispCall integrated into Salesforce, you don't just manage leads, you manage every conversation in one place. To get faster follow-ups, complete context, and zero manual work. Visit KrispCall.com today and make Salesforce your all-in-one sales hub.